Quick and easy lunchbox recipe. Take a bowl, add curd, add simple basic ingredients, add little ginger garlic paste, mix well. Now add washed and cleaned mushrooms. Now marinate this for half an hour. After 30 minutes, take a kadai, add oil. Now our oil is super hot. At this stage, we will add some basic ingredients like zira and 2 bay leaves. Now add onion paste. Now add ginger garlic paste. At this stage, we will add our tomato puree. Now add little red chili powder. Add little salt for this gravy. Already we have added the salt, spices and the mushrooms, but for this gravy we have to add little salt and red chili powder. Now keep the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Keep the lid and cook 2 to 5 minutes in low flame. After 5 minutes, at this stage, we will add our marinated mushrooms. After 5 minutes, add coriander, cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, off the flame.